Hey there, all you plant parents. Welcome back to another episode of Dakota's Corner. In the past, I know we've talked about feeding your container plants and how important it is that your plants get nutrition. However, we've also covered sometimes how challenging it is to measure out that fertilizer rate to make sure they get enough nutrition that they need. This is why Osmocote created the Potshots nugget. This little plant food nugget is amazing because it delivers a pre-measured dose of all the nutrients that your container plants need that feeds them for 6 full months and minimizes the risk of over or underfeeding your plants. The great thing about Potshots is they're as easy to use as they sound. Today, I want to take you through the instructions on how to use them step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is figure out how many Potshot nuggets to include in your container plant. The way you do this is by using the instruction guide included with your product. This shows you whether your plant is an indoor or outdoor container plant, and based on its size, how many nuggets to use. So we measured this plant, which we're going to use a Potshot nugget in, and found that its diameter is 10 inches wide, which means we're going to use 2 Potshot nuggets to feed it for 6 full months. So once you know how many nuggets to use, it's time to apply them to your container plant. To do this, you just take one of the nuggets and find an empty spot halfway between the edge of the container and the base of your plant, and then push it down 1 to 3 inches deep. No watering necessary, you're all set for 6 months. Once the 6 months have passed, all you need to do is take the old Potshot out and put a new one in. That's all there is to it. It's pretty easy, right? Go ahead and get started by ordering your Osmocote Potshots on Amazon today, and make sure that your plant babies are living their best life.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.